Talking time! Hello guys!
Talking time. Andrei Viktorovich.
That's a bit Enzo.
Vitaly Kaminsky!
Enzo.
Enzo, it's a me.
Hello guys, hello!
Bitcoin
Hello.
last night hit $1 million per token. 0.00000.
We're trying to start from the something positive.
Yes.
It's almost impossible. Hello! Hello, not the 6-digit, hello, 5-digit!
Yeah.
What do you think, guys, about this?
Yeah, we lost a zero. We lost a zero last night. Went from 101, 102 down to 9. Now it's at 97. But don't worry, Bitcoin's going to 1 million. Just wait.
How long do you supposed to
I don't know.
wait?
It's a good question. When? I mean, at least in my opinion, it will hit 1 million one day. But maybe 10 years, 20 years, I don't know. So what do you guys think?
Of course, it's the same. I think 10 years ago when I first time price around 600, and I guess with my friends, one of day 100k. Like
Yep.
it's the same. But anyway, maybe something interesting happened with you last week, last 2 week. Where you do?
Yeah, I was just in Bangkok for Thailand Blockchain Week. Really, really cool. Lots of good speakers. I heard talks on AI and blockchain. I heard talks on, of course, like stable coins. Yeah, it was good. It's because we're in Vietnam, and Vietnam's crypto community is small.
Small.
Small. It's not. It's
Yeah.
not. It's still here, but very small. And a lot of the crypto community here is Vietnamese speaking, and so I can't speak Vietnamese.
It's still growing.
It's still growing, but I say this because Thailand, their crypto ecosystem is actually now, it's really starting to grow and kind of like roll by itself. So it was really good to see that.
Did anybody know about the Bitcoin gonna fall?
I mean, you said earlier when you first got in, you say, oh, one day Bitcoin will hit 100K.
Yeah.
Recently, a lot of the like OG whales, the people that got into Bitcoin a long, long time ago, when you look at their wallets, they're starting to sell. Or maybe last month they were starting to sell. And I think it's because what you said, like when they first got in 10 years ago, they said, okay, one day it'll be 100K and then I will sell. And I think maybe that's why. It's not because they don't believe in Bitcoin, it's because they've been holding for so long that $100,000 Bitcoin is actually like kind of a good point to sell. And on top of that, like, okay, if you have $1 billion and then you have $2 billion, it's really not that much better. You know,
Yeah.
if I have $1 billion, I'm good. I don't need to, it's not like having $1 more billion will help me. So I think this is why I say it's because this is why the price is kind of stagnating. It's kind of going sideways, going down. I think it's just kind of like a period of recapitulation or something like that. I forgot the word.
Yeah, because price cannot every time go down or every time go up, because price with 126 after price when all-time high 62k,
Yeah.
it's okay, make correction, come back to the price around 75k. And like what I say 2 weeks ago about we on a bear market, and next 1 year to the next September we go down little bit, down bear market. It's okay, it's normal. Let's like accumulate DCA. It's good time for DCA, really,
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah.
But there is still almost 700 millions of liquidation in the market for 24 hours, like, and long-term holders was
See, this is it.
around 600.
The reason why there's so many liquidations is because everyone believes in Bitcoin. Everyone thinks it's gonna go up. Such good asset. I'm gonna bet my money on a long. I'm gonna say it's gonna go up. People keep on losing money. But my point is, like, they're making that bet because they trust in Bitcoin. They believe in Bitcoin. And so it's a good thing. It's sad that they're losing their money, but it's a positive thing that people still believe in the asset.
In the last 30 days, that long-term holders sold more than 800 millions. So it's the biggest result from the January 2024. Maybe they know something about the market and about this in future. Maybe it's gonna fall more.
Sorry, those people are selling, or what are you saying?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. People know something because people spend a lot of time and money for analyze market. Of course, analytics. It's not like a finger on the sky. Like it's not like it's something strong knowledge. Analytics numbers and information, insider information is still working, guys. It's a basis of trading, guys.
Or maybe they just become more scared that it can go more and more down, like, you know, and that just the pressure of market scare them and they just decide to no, it's time maybe to sell.
Yes, part of it like panic sell, part of people, but part of it is like just work out. Like buy and sell, like a follow way. It's normal, long time distance. We cannot like every time to believe it's only up. It's about trading, guys. Trading, it's a buy and sell, speculated.
Also, like, when I see personally, I'm not a good trader, but a good trader will make money on the way up and make money on the way down.
Yeah.
This is the whole point of being able to short the market, right? It's just, I'm super bad at that because I'm very optimistic. I believe in the technology and I write code every day, so I'm a believer and I love it. But a good trader is not about emotions. It's about just understanding the market and making the right decision. These people that are selling, perhaps they're taking money and then shorting the market, not because they don't believe in the asset, but because that's how they can make money.
Coins is fiat and gold and silver keep rising. What do you think? China?
No. ICS is like news from USA. It's like what we said 2 weeks ago. It's like golden on all-time high, and I shared information about I listen about when some people want to buy gold on all-time high. It's a signal go down. It's happen gold go down, but Chinese still accumulated a lot of gold. Still build economy around gold because they want to like third global governments get and more stronger than USA. Of course, Chinese have a strong long-term distance plan, guys. Believe me.
So, and also Bitcoin, it went from 60K to 120K. And at that time, gold was kind of flat. It didn't move that much. So perhaps there's an argument to be said that it's not that Bitcoin's going down, it's that the gold is catching up to where it should have been. Bitcoin went up because Bitcoin is supposed to be digital gold, right? It's supposed to be a hedge against the stock market and inflation. When Bitcoin went from 60 to 100, really gold didn't do anything. And so maybe now it is increasing. It's just the catch up.
Maybe the people who sold the Bitcoin just try to put money in the real
did.
gold
They cycled
instead
it
of digital.
And also, I hear some information about Chinese find a big golden point but it's
Like golden mines? Like,
yeah, and I guess it's just like make a news for make like how to say how news news for make a reason why gold go down, but just Chinese who buy the deep sell too high and make news. Oh, we find some gold point, big golden point. It's the reason why gold go down. It's like, I guess it's like a drop on the news, nothing more. I'm every time to say, good idea to work with crypto if you have another income, if you have real work, because crypto
real work. It sounds kind of
like real work with real economy, because crypto is not stability, super not stability. Yes, it's a point for super fast reach, but it's also place for super fast liquidated all your money, because it's a first emotion. Who not control that emotion? I'm not control that emotion. Not much people can control that emotion, because I'm already 10 years in crypto. I have was be super rich per one night in my life, and a couple of times per 10 years I super rich and not super rich. Like it's my emotion, like
emotional damage.
Emotion damage. Yeah, and but anyway, DCA is good to accumulate now. It's a good opportunity, unique opportunity before Bitcoin price will be 200k or 300k. Yeah, it's good now to accumulate, but need to like make really income or passive income, or build community or build a team. build project, raise it money, and unique opportunity now. Really, with AI tools, is social media. Now social media so open it without any borders. Like yes, a couple borders have, not like 10 years ago, but still can do like crazy result per couple of months. But 100% need the team, people, community, friend, love, sport, healthy, full healthy. Yes, of course, let's make a crazy party, but like not like every day. I like crazy party. Of course, all people who in crypto, 99% like super crazy party, like with everything what you think. Yes, what you think right now. Yes, I do.
And like one head is good, two head is better. I'm not even start talking about three one like you know that.
I mean, so I totally agree. All right, it's a good time to build. And like you said, right now we also have AI. And so I'm a developer. I've been building companies for the past nearly 10 years now. And with AI, you can build a company so much faster. A team of 10 people 2 years ago is now a team of 2 people. Of course, there's still time and effort. You still have to have a good idea and put in the time to make it work. But you don't need to hire a full team of people. You can do it with a much smaller team. So it's a really exciting time to be in crypto and in any industry. And also AI is only going to get better. It's not going to get worse. It's going to improve and make things easier and easier. And that doesn't mean that everyone's going to lose their jobs. What's going to happen is people are going to change their jobs. They're going to figure out, okay, here's my job before. How can I implement AI tools to make my job better and faster? And I think that applies for any entrepreneur that's trying to start business these days.
Other thing I want to discuss with you guys that about for the last months, I believe there are a lot of people was under influence of FOMO. That everybody saw that market is like stable, not stable. They still wanna make some money, and seems like everybody just keep losing. What do you think about the FOMO shit?
FOMO? I mean, fear of missing out. Like I said, I think the reason why they're losing money, usually they're longs. They're not shorts. People right now losing money, they're all longs, which means they are long on Bitcoin, which means they think that the price is going to go up. So when you think about this, that means most of the people, they keep on losing money because they believe that it will go up. So this is kind of a good thing. It shows that the people are still optimistic. If people are losing money on shorts, that means those people don't believe the market. So, sorry, I said, because you say fear of missing out, which is FOMO, right?
It's the fear of missing that, like, everybody just wanna, it's not about the long, I think. Like, it's more about the short, just put money in and, like, they believe it's gonna raise and, like, easy money.
Like spot. You said only buy spot. And this is why I like spot, because I don't have to worry about FOMO. I just buy a DCA in, like you said, and if the market goes up, okay, I sell a little bit. If it goes down, okay, I buy a little bit more. And that way I don't have FOMO because I know I'm always having access to the market, but I won't get liquidated.
I think that FOMO works more for the people who don't know a lot about the market. They just like, you know, that fear of missing moment, like they just like consider, oh, I can make some fast, big money right now. And
well, my brother just texted me a couple days ago, and he said, "Oh, should I sell my Bitcoin and move my money into a Roth IRA?" My advice was no, just wait until later. But my point is, when people outside of crypto start messaging you these types of things, that's a sign that something is changing. I mean, in this situation, usually when a person says, "Should I sell Bitcoin?" that's when you should buy. Because that means on the news, everywhere, people are saying, oh, Bitcoin is crashing, Bitcoin is crashing. And actually, when that's happening, that's when you should buy. It's like you're talking about with gold, right? Like, if the Chinese news is saying, oh, we found so much gold, that's because they want you to sell. And when you sell, they will buy. And so, yeah, you're right. Like FOMO, essentially, if the market, for example, FOMO happens when Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs. When Bitcoin's 125K, then you'll get your brothers and sisters messaging you saying, oh, should I buy Bitcoin? But that's the time you sell when they message you. You know, whenever that happens, do the opposite.
Yeah, buy Bitcoin when blood on the street, and sell Bitcoin when some
euphoria.
Everyone to say Bitcoin, good idea, buy. Yes.
Yep, that's
do the opposite. Always do the opposite. Okay, just keep it in my mind,
man. It's so hard to do because, like, again, when there's blood on the street, everyone around you is so sad. For you to have the strength to say, I'm going to buy now, and everyone's going to say, that's a bad idea, that's a bad idea. It's really hard to do. again, but it's about not having emotion. It's about disconnecting your human emotions with the actual.
Have some discipline, like.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Guys, it's not the advice, but just keep it in your mind. Like, don't play with that. But if somebody tell you sell, buy.
Yeah.
No, don't do it.
I mean, my major advice is don't do leverage trading. Because for me, if I leverage trade, I always lose. Always.
The self-experience is the best experience. So it's better to learn on somebody's mistake, not on your own. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. Was happy to see you again. See you soon. Take care. Stay healthy. Subscribe, follow, share, and write a comment what you want us to talk about next time at Token Time. Mr. Enzo,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Vitali, and me, your friend. And me, your friend Andriy. Love you guys. Have a good weekend. See you.
Викторович.